Most people don't even realize this one Chrome setting can literally save their digital life. If your password ever leaks in a data breach, Chrome will warn you instantly, but only if this setting is turned on. Open Chrome, tap the three dots, go to Settings, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Scroll down a little bit and look for if a password was compromised in a data breach and flip it on. That's the one. Turn it on now. What does it do? Simple. Whenever you type a password that has been leaked on the internet before, Chrome immediately alerts you. And yes, your passwords stay encrypted. Even Google can't see them. Chrome only checks if your password matches known leaked databases.